everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a review of the unboxing of my new folding knife. So today is I'm gonna make a review, and also this is also my thoughts about it. Okay, so here it goes. This is the black Sable. Okay, right, this is the black Sable right here, and also this is new, and this is a great one, but it is not an automatic, right? It is a manually. It is a manual folding knife and a manual open knife. So okay, so without further ado, so let's gonna start it up reviewing this. Okay, so okay everyone, here it goes. This is the black Sable cold steel, right? So in order for you to open it, so you just have to hold it right there, and then after it you just have to, okay, there it goes. You just have to like that. So hold it right, this one right here, this, okay, this toe right here at the, you just have to hold it like that, and then you're gonna go open it. So in order for you to fold it, so this, you're gonna have to press it like that one, and then you just have to go like that one. So that is the only cons of this one. This is the only cons, right, of the black Sable. So, and also this is a good one is because it is so tiny, so it is so good and also nice, and also you can put it in your side pocket. Also just you can also have this one, and also a nice mini foldable knife, right? So, and then also if you want to open it again, so here it goes right there, and then also this is a nice one, uh and also has a good edges of the knife. So yeah, I just have to test it. So right there, so nice one, and it's also perfect for perfect also for wood carving, right? Perfect for wood carving, and also it is also perfect for what's this one, camping, right? So cutting knives, or what is this called, cutting fruits, right? So foods, right? So you right. So that is also the first one thing also that you want to. So since it is a EDC gear that you have to bring it anywhere, also if you are in a camping mode or bike packing, right? So and also backpacking, this is a good one, and also very small, a very small one, and also very sharp. Look at that, very sharp, so very sharp, and you can see that it is a nice, ooh, wow, okay, this is a nice one also. And then let's find something hard. So here it goes. We're gonna try this one also. Let's gonna try this one, right? So good, right? So this is a nice one also. And let's go gonna check how is the grams of this one, right? So gonna have to put it right there, and then also we just have to take a closer look. This is the cold steel black Sable cold steel right there. So designed by Ray Cutlery, handcraft in USA, and it's also a nice good product that they have also raw. So I'm gonna check that out. It's a legit one, right? So bought in Shopee. So this is a Timo in Philippines, right? A Shopee. So this is okay. This one right here is good also. And then yeah, it is also nice to nice, okay, because I don't have any more to test, so I'm gonna try to test it out some fruits, right? So but I don't have any fruits here, so okay. And then also this is a nice one also that you can bring into your camping, right? So let's go gonna weigh it in, okay? So here it goes. This go gonna weigh it in. So like that one, and then yes, it's a 67 grams. Okay, 67 grams of this one, and also if you have to put it like that, also it's still 67. And if you want to fold it, how much? Yes, it's still a 67 one. So this is a good one, of a good, very very tiny, and you can put it in your, what is it called, side pocket, right? So it's a sample. Okay, I got some jeans right here. So I got some jeans. I've got some jeans right here. So you have to put that one right there also, and then you can put your knife right there, and then also that's just one. This is a good one also, right? So perfect, and also this is really fit. This is really fit in your jeans, right? So it's side pocket on all, and if you want to put it in right here, so you can also like that one, and then there it goes. Nice one over there, so you can put that like that one in your side pocket for your safety purposes, right? So do not bring this in a public places. Is because it's do not here in Philippines, we don't bring it in a public places. Is because it is too dangerous. So it is too dangerous, and so many police, right? So many police and armed forces that always proving, and they always check all the packets, and if they can, if they see like this, they're gonna confiscate it, right? So they're gonna confiscate. So here it goes. This is the cold steel black Sable. So in the case, so I have to bring this only for camping, right? And also bike packing. So I think this is the most have the black Sable. So black Sable cold steel, and I think and for me, this my thoughts. This is a good one, and I love it. It's also very tiny, very lightweight, and also very compact with a 67 grams of its weight. So this is a good one also, and it's a good one, and also you can have to bring like that one also. Bring, and also, and if you want to open it up, so this one right here is also like one, and then chop. Okay, nice for chopping foods and fruits and also vegetables, right? It's good when also, and it's also a washable too. It is also a washable. So but you have to after wash, you have to wipe it dry. Okay, that's a nice one over here. Okay, so I think that is for my review, and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the review of my cold steel. This is the review of my black Sable cold steel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching. Okay.